So we're here this morning with our beautiful 37-year-old patient who comes in today with her 4 children, which include her set of twins. She is about 4 months out from her abdominoplasty and repair of her umbilical hernia and her breast mastopexy, and she's very graciously agreed to share how she's doing and how she's enjoying her results now that we're in summertime.
Oh, yeah. I feel great. Feel like I matched the inside.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Wearing bikinis. Got 4 kids under 8. And honestly, this is probably the best I've felt and looked since early college, high school.
That is incredible. That is incredible. Share with us some of the apprehensions or frustrations you had coming into this.
You mean before the surgery?
Right.
So I had pretty severe muscle separation.
Yeah.
So every time the kids would jump on me, I felt like I was going to die. Okay. And I remember you pushing on it at one point and saying that was my aorta.
Yes.
And I was like, oh my God, I could have died. So I really didn't have any core strength at all. And just, when I took off my clothes, it was like one of those things that you're like, I felt deflated. And I looked deflated.
Yeah.
Like it was just all hanging and yeah. So, yeah, that's why I called you.
And so you come in today and you've got a beautiful bikini tan line.
Yes.
So share with everyone what it's like to wear a bikini after this operation.
So I apologize for my son giggling. I actually bought this bikini probably 3 weeks after the surgery.
Wow.
And I tried it on in the dressing room, and I was like, I'm buying it.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. So the first time I wore it was when we went to the beach with my family. So
Yeah.
I did it in a setting that I was comfortable with
Yeah.
people I know.
Yeah.
Didn't need to do that because I put that on, took my cover up off on the beach, and I was like, I'm in a bikini on the beach. I feel great. And
most girls do.
that's what most girls do?
No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, I
I
didn't need to be. I think it was all the years of wearing a one piece and trying to cover everything.
Yeah.
And then I finally I am to the point where I have nothing I need to cover or want to cover.
That's awesome. Do you also feel that you're able to engage more with the kids playing on the beach now that you've gone through this process?
So I've done this like little test. So I used to, when I would sit up in bed or if I'm laying on the floor playing with them and I go to sit up, I would have to turn to the side and kind of use my arms to push me up because I had nothing to help.
No core strength.
I sit up like Frankenstein now. I'm just like, whoop, right out of bed. Yes, straight up. Because I can.
Yeah.
And the first time I did that, I was like, oh my God, I just sat up straight with no like arm help. And it was great.
That's awesome.
So I do it all the time.
That's awesome.
And I do feel little baby abs in there. So
Yeah,
I'm just
they're
going
there.
to start working out and make them bigger.
They're there. Any change on your back at all, and your back strength?
Yes. So you said that could be.
Yep.
So I used to like just go for like 45 minutes walking through Costco.
Mm-hmm.
And I would have to lean on the cart because my lower back was shot.
Wow.
I do not, it's not even a
It's
not even a thought now.
Isn't that amazing? So your stamina and your strength are improved.
Yes, and I think it's all. First of all, these are smaller. So I went from a 36 double D to now I'm a solid 36C.
Yeah.
Which is perfect.
Yes.
So I think they are both smaller and lifted.
Yep.
And now, because I have the core strength now, there is no pressure on my lower back at all.
Awesome. That's
Yeah.
awesome. That's
That
so
that was
awesome.
probably, honestly, besides the muscle separation and the hernia,
Yeah.
that was probably my number one complaint.
Well, for sure.
Lower back pain.
Yeah. Fantastic improvement.
Hey,
This is so. These guys are
it's a
so
circus
great.
in here.
I can imagine how much energy it takes to keep up
Now
with these four.
think about my house. This is my house every day. Unless they're sleeping.
So, share with us what your recommendation would be to someone else in a similar situation considering the mommy makeover that you had?
So I would say get to a place. So I was very overweight the first time I met you,
Yeah.
and I did it the right way, and I waited until I was at a spot and a weight that I was comfortable in.
Yeah.
My body didn't look the way I wanted it to, but I knew that would come later.
Yeah.
And I waited until I got to that point, and then I emailed Debbie, and I was like, "Hi, remember me? I'm ready." So for me, it was just waiting until I got to the right point.
Yeah.
But then there's people like my mom who just had this exact surgery.
Yeah.
And she got to the point where she's like, "What am I waiting for?"
Yeah.
She's 58 years old.
Yeah.
And she's like, what am I waiting for?
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't know, do it. So she's Avery Ann. My goodness.
Well, I love that because even in your own little family, we have the two examples of
And they're very different.
very different,
Yes.
but both with amazing
Yes.
results.
Yes. Although I've not seen her results since shortly after the
Yeah.
surgery, but she's already needing new clothes
Yeah, no, she looks great too.
because she's no longer hiding in her clothing like I was. So
Well,
it's a daycare in here right now. I'm like,
I love the energy. I can only imagine what it's like at home for you
sit your butt
24/7.
down.
I can't.
Jackson,
All right.
You're vegan.
All right. Well, thank you so very much for sharing
Thank
your
you.
journey.
I'll see you in 2 months.
I love it.